Hey guys, is it just me, or are you also finding it really annoying that every time you want to add a transition to your video, you have to go to the effects tab, hit the drop down option for transitions, hit the drop down for the type, click the one you want, and then drag it to your clip? If you guys stay to the end of this video, I'm going to show you guys how to quickly and easily right click any clip that you want and automatically apply whatever transition that you want. Alrighty, what is going on guys? It is your boy Teo and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to be talking about how to set your transition duration and your default transition in Premiere Pro. This has saved me a lot of time when it comes to editing and splitting up clips and trying to make smooth transitions. So I wanted to share this quick tip with you guys. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, when you click in the middle of two clips that are split, there is an option to apply default transitions. The options that you have to set as a default transition is everything that's underneath the video transitions folder. You can set your transition to be either one of these options: dissolve, immerse video, swipe, slide, whichever you prefer. Me personally, I like dissolve transitions in my videos, and specifically I like the cross dissolve. Any one of these transitions to be your default, all you have to do is simply right click the transition that you like to make default and hit the button that says select as default transition. Once you select that, then that's it. It literally changes it to whatever your default is. As you can see here, if we delete this one, right click and hit it again, now it is at additive dissolve. Vice versa, if we switch it back to my cross dissolve, we'll delete that one and we will hit apply default and it goes back to your cross dissolve. Now the reason why I wanted to make this video today is because I learned something today, something that I have not known, and it saved me a lot of time today already, and that is that you're able to change the default transition duration as well. All you're going to want to do is make sure you are in your effects window. If you do not have your effects window, all you have to do is go up to the window tab and go down to effects. Once you have the effects window open, you're just going to click the three lines next to the word and you are going to select set default transition duration. Once you select that option, make sure you are in the timeline option here, and we're going to go up to the top where it says video transition default duration. As you can see, we have that option, and we also have the audio option. So if you wanted to change the default transition time of your audio, you can do that as well. This is all preference on how you want to set this up. You can do seconds or by frames. By default, mine was on 30 frames, but I like to gauge mine based off the seconds. I'm probably just going to change this to about 0.030. So now whenever I do my new default, oh, that's the wrong number. Oh, wait a minute. I accidentally added an extra zero. I wanted mine to be 0.30, and then now when we go down here to apply the default transition, it is a lot shorter than the original option, which was the 1 second. And now whenever you change your default transition, if you go ahead and change it to another one, it's going to be the same length. It's going to be the same. It doesn't matter which one you change it to. It'll always be whatever seconds or frames you set it to in that option. Alrighty guys, and that is it. That is how you set your duration time for your transitions and how to change your default transition in Premiere Pro. If you guys have any other questions or need any other how-to videos within Premiere, please let me know in the comments. I've been using Premiere for quite a while. I have some pretty good knowledge about it, and I'll be more than happy to share any knowledge that I have, especially if you guys are needing it. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you did learn something new, please leave a like and comment down below, and even subscribe. Please leave a comment for any videos you guys would like to see next, whether it's Premiere Pro related, OBS, cameras, whatever that is needed. Please let me know in the comments and we will get it popping. Alrighty guys, thank you so much again, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.